You are welcome back to my channel. My name is Lukman, and today I will be looking at a very important topic talking about the issue of money. We'll be discussing money. Money is like the game we play when we were small, the hide and seek game. Money tend to hide from a lot of people who does not have the skill. People who have the skill tend to get the people who are hiding. So money tend to hide, and if you have the skill, you easily get where money is hiding. And a lot of people will say there is no money there, but there is money. But the problem is that money tends to hide. It is hiding, and it is only those who have the skill that can unravel it, that can get the money wherever it is hiding. So in this video, I'm be revealing to you 10 places where the money you are looking for has been hiding. The number one place where the money is hiding is in the people. Don't be surprised. Yes, the same people that you know, money is hiding in the people in your life. They are your social capital. If you can use your social capital very well, which is the people, then you tend to get money. All you have to do is give this your people, give them value, and they will give you money. They will be begging you with money. Just give them value and they will give you money. The number two place that money is hiding is in time and season. Time and season. There are seasons for everything. There are times for everything. If you understand the principle of time and season, then you understand how to locate money easily. People who understand the principle of time and season are the ones who are making the money. For instance, there used to be a time when it was the agricultural revolution. That was the season. But later, we got to the industrial revolution. That was also a season. We later got to computer season, the season of computer. That's the revolution. Later, we moved from computer revolution to internet revolution. From internet revolution, we got to information revolution. And from the internet revolution, we are in the connected revolution. That's the connected economy. So if you understand this principle and you place yourself appropriately, then you see the money. That was why Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and the rest, that is why they are making so much money, because they understand the time and season. Another place where the money is hiding is in problem. Money tends to hide in problem. If a lot of people have problem and you have solution to that problem, then definitely they will pay you more than your expectation. If you are able to solve problems, then money will come. Mark Zuckerberg, that's the Facebook man, was able to solve the problem of socialization. That was why money flowed toward him. He was one of the richest in the world. During the COVID-19 pandemic, he made so much billion of dollars because he understands that people have problem and he was able to solve that problem. Another place where the money you are looking for tend to hide or is hiding is in skill, gifts, and talents. Some people have skills and they have talent. If you have skills, if you have talents, and you have gifts, then you can easily make money. That is if you know how to monetize this your skill, how to monetize your talents. For instance, most of the footballers in the world like Ronaldo, Messi, and the skillful lots, they have skills, they have talents, and they were able to monetize it, and they are making a lot of money. That is why most of them are the most highly paid people in the world today. And look at the musicians, for instance, in my country. Look at the musicians, they are making a lot of money. So also in the world, musicians are making, because they have talents and they were able to monetize their talents. So if you have a talent, you have gift, and you have skills, and you are able to monetize it, then money will run towards you. So money is hiding in talents, is hiding in gifts, is also hiding in skills. Another place where the money you are looking for is hiding is in goods and services. Goods and services. When you talk about goods and services, a lot of people will be looking at you. How is money hiding there? Money is hiding there because before you cannot make money if you don't have anything to sell. You must have something to sell. Is either you are selling goods, is either you are selling services, or you are selling your time. You must have something to sell, and that is why the best skill you can get now is the skill of selling. So if you can sell goods and services or time very well, then a lot of money will run towards you. Another place where the money you are looking for is hiding is in your vision. If you have a vision that is valuable and sellable, then you will make a lot of money. So money is hiding in the vision that you have, but that vision must be valuable, at the same time must be sellable. You must be able to sell that vision. You must be able to sell that vision. So that is why Elon Musk is making a lot of money. He had a vision of creating the best car that runs without fuel or something, and you have Tesla. Tesla is making the money. He's also looking at SpaceX, and already money is gravitating towards him, is running towards him. So if you have a vision that is valuable and that is sellable, then you discover where money is hiding. Another place where money is hiding, the money you are looking for, where it is hiding, is in experience. Experience. If you have experience and you know how to sell your experience, how to market your experience, then money will run towards you. Just like a first class graduate student has the experience, he can try to be teaching other students who are still in school how to come out with first class in school. That's experience. It's selling experience. Or somebody who has played soccer for a very long time and he decides to monetize his experience. He becomes a coach. He becomes a manager of a team, and he starts earning money. So money is hiding in experience. Another place that money is hiding is the ideas. If you have an idea, a very good idea that you feel will benefit so many people, and you know how to put your idea across, whatever the idea that you have that you feel will help a lot of people, and you know how to put it across, then you have discovered another place where money is hiding. So money is hiding in your ideas. Money is also hiding in your passion. If you have passion for a thing, all you need to do is just look at that thing and how to package it very well. Your passion. Money is hiding in that passion. Because even all the things we are talking about, if you have ideas, you have experience, with that passion, you might not be able to get the money. So passion for a thing and the ability to translate that your passion into money, then you discover where money is hiding. But I want to tell you that there is money everywhere. But the only thing you need is the skill to search very well. This is Smart Idea TV. and my name is Lukman. If you have enjoyed this video so far, please, I want you to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. Leave your comment. I will reply as I normally do until I come your way again. Don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.